tonight we're going to be bringing you some more chicken. And I am not going to walk away tonight. I'm going to stay close by. That way I don't have anything that's overcooked. But when we mess up, we still make it work. I don't panic. Stay calm under extreme pressure. Even though I know my family is waiting on the meal, highly anticipating the great flavor that I'm going to bring. Sometimes I bring that real charred flavor. That flavor that they won't forget. Flavor that will be spoke of down through the ages, folks. That's what I do. I bring memories to my family. Just squirt your chicken wings with some olive oil or butter. I'm using olive oil tonight. Coming right over here into the seasoning department. Right on the grill, folks. A little pepper. Oh, I love the smell of pepper. It'll make you sneeze. Red pepper flakes. This is just chili powder. Just a little bit. I think we're going to have some wings to talk about here. Down through the ages.
You said I'm a moss.
You're a moss, boy. This is like a
chili lime seasoning.
Chili lime seasoning here. Set it down and let her go now.
You stay here. If you need something, you send the youngest moss to come and tell me.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get the peaches ready. We've got our hamburger patties here. He's gonna make for those who want hamburgers instead. I'm gonna set these over here. For the peaches, we're just gonna cut them in half. So I just cut it in half all the way around, and then you gently twist and it comes right apart like that. If y'all have never had peaches on the grill, you've got to try it this summer. It is so good when you grill them, and then you can serve them with some homemade whipped cream or vanilla ice cream, or just by themselves. Sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. They're great. This one was a little bit too firm still. Okay, so I got the peaches ready for him. I think he said he's just gonna make a little honey butter or something to grill with them. So I guess I'll soften him some butter here in just a little bit. We'll set these over here on the table. And what else did I need to get ready? He's just gonna grill these peppers just on the grill. We're not gonna do any stuffing them or wrapping them or anything. He made a few the other day on the grill and they were really good. I'm cooking the potato wedges in the air fryer. I'm cooking some wings in the air fryer too. I have these Better Goods garlic butter wings. When the potato wedges get done, I'll start those in the air fryer. And I think the only other thing I need to do is make our little tomato basil mozzarella sticks.
Do we got any lemon?
Look in that bowl with the bananas, there might be a lemon. Hey, I have lemon wedges. They're already sliced for water and stuff.
Well, if there's, so I can squeeze them. I gotta be able to squeeze them out.
You can twist it. If you twist it, it'll...
I'll twist and shout.
Let me move all this stuff over here.
Anyway.
I'm gonna put 2 of the pieces of cheese because these are small pieces. So we just put a tomato, a little piece of the cheese, mozzarella, a little basil leaf.
Folks, I've done something right tonight. We're now going on with our peaches. Now, I'm putting them on now without anything, but here in a moment.
Oh no, that's sad.
I dropped one.
At least that was one of the ones that wasn't ready yet anyway.
See, that's the way it can be in life. If you're not ready, you could fall. Got some good sounds on this grill here. Sound of summer, everybody. Now, I'll show you what to do with these peaches here in just a minute, but just take a look at that. That's not a mistake, folks. I made a mistake yesterday. Yesterday was not my day for cooking, but it seems like today is. What could go wrong in the next 10 minutes? You know what I'm saying? What we got right here, everybody, what we have is some honey butter with some cinnamon. Just gonna brush it right on. And this butter will stir things up.
In here, I've just got a little bit of melted butter with some garlic powder. We're gonna use that to brush on the wings that are coming off the grill. Half of my Better Goods wings are done. They look really good coming out of the air fryer. Go ahead and sprinkle on a little bit of the seasoning. Just a little bit of it.
A little bit of garlic butter, stirring things up right here at the end. That's about as good as it gets. I'm not even kidding you. It's fantastic. In my opinion, it's just me. You can't go wrong dipping wings like that in Texas peach. That's really good. Look at that peach. Oh wow, that right there will make you smile. Try that.
The next day, y'all. I'm about to make a little snack tray for the kids. So y'all remember in yesterday's video when I was like, it's such a beautiful day, it's not gonna rain. It rained. It rained so hard that it flattened Titus's best Cherokee purple tomato plant. We saw it this morning. He's got it stood back up. Hopefully it's gonna be okay. The boys are out there working on a building project now, so I'm gonna make this little fruit and veggie tray to take out there to them, and we're gonna make some blueberry muffin oat bites. Sissy's painting squishies over here. That's one of the things she got for her birthday. Gonna grab my apron. If it'll let go. It doesn't want to work today. Wants the day off, doesn't it, Manny?
Yeah.
That's mine too. I have a few aprons. I'm gonna do blueberry and strawberry ones because I have these dried blueberries and dried strawberries.
Wait, please don't tell me.
I heard it thundering. I know, I just heard thunder. Here we go again. Okay, so for these blueberry muffin bites and strawberry muffin bites, we need about 1/3 cup of honey. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And I'm gonna use peanut butter, but you can use almond butter. The recipe actually used cookie butter, but we're gonna use peanut butter instead. About a cup. Okay, we'll mix all this. Now I'm gonna get a teaspoon of cinnamon. You're gonna mix in the vanilla, okay? About 1/2 teaspoon. There you go.
Oh,
I do hear some thunder.
Me too. This peanut butter smells good.
Does it?
Sometimes I have to lick off the peanut butter.
Yeah. Okay, we'll put in the oats. We need probably 2 cups. I'm gonna start with 1 cup though, because we like for them to be a little
Moister.
yeah, moister, yes, not as dry. So we'll start with 1 cup and see if we need to add a whole other cup. I think we're gonna go with 1.5 cups. That should be good. That whole scoop there. We'll put some of the mixture into this bowl and mix in the blueberries, and then we'll add strawberries to that one.